Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming updates and a snug fit. This reduces noise and gives accurate contacts. Once done, sit at a table and rest your arm on a surface. Open the ECG app on the Apple Watch and position your forearm on your leg or a table. This stabilizes the sensor. Make sure your skin is dry and free of lotion. Small movements create artifacts, so keep breathing steady. Now, tap the app to begin the reading and get ready to follow the on-screen countdown. You will hold your index finger lightly on the digital crown. Don't press, just maintain contact. Once the timer starts, stay as still as possible and breathe evenly. This keeps muscle noise out of the trace. The watch records for 30s and displays progress, so keep your arm supported and relaxed. If the watch shows irregular spacing or low signal, adjust finger contact and try not to tense up. After the countdown finishes, the watch processes the waveform and prepares the result for review. When the recording completes, you tap Save to store the ECG in the Health app. This preserves the waveform and classification. Once saved, open the Health app on your iPhone to review details, add notes, or export a PDF to share with your clinician. If the watch reports errors or poor signal, clean the back and crown, refit the band, and retry while seated and relaxed. This single troubleshooting step fixes most issues. If problems persist, consult Apple support or your...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.